there is no hell, no heaven, no Jesus, and no Satan. And that is a fact. In religion, that is real. You have to understand what is religion. Religion will somebody be zununhegi turn around reshigi. Ega to all these pastors in Nigeria, adoration, Mbaka, omechara fancha. Ijenga ha zununhe inwene. Reshigi sige, oh, we are giving you healing. Na gi walk up by that faith. Gela ni nwene healing. Gala okwu na-egbutukwa gị mgbu, gala afọ na-egbutukwa gị mgbu, gala inweghị ihe ha promisiri gị 10 days aga, 1 month aga, ha sị gị still believe. Mbaka na Ebuka Obi are literally stealing from our people on a daily basis and lying to them. Normally they should go to jail. Normally the Nigerian government should put Mbaka and Ebuka Obi in jail because they are selling our people something that is not real. They are selling them heaven and hell that is not real. They are selling them healing that is not obtainable. They are selling to our people a merchandise that is not obtainable. That is 419. Normally they should go to jail.